Good afternoon. I am Kanchana, 69 years old. I was suffering with that knee pain past 8 months, and then last 2 months I was unable to walk, and I cannot be able to do the routine work freely. That's why I thought all the doctors suggested there is no medication for that. You have to go for knee replacement one day. And then my daughter-in-law's colleagues suggested that this Srikara Hospital is the best one for that TKR, and then you can try in that, they told. And then I came along with my son and my husband, and then I met the doctor, Akhil Dadi only. I met on that day, and I was very much impressed. And we have planned to do the surgeries in this hospital one day. And then after I came here, and then all the staff, especially Annapurna madam, and then Tara, and all receptionists everywhere are very with smiling faces, and they are very polite and very friendly services. Yes. I was impressed with this thing. So next day itself we have admitted, and that is on 9th of that June. And now I am 5 weeks over. I can able to walk nicely. Means without that struggling. We have to give the healing time for that thing. And very much comfortable, and even that physio also is very friendly. Madan, who is that physiotherapist, is so friendly with me. And then he did the correct time he used to come, and slowly. And then 10th day itself I was able to walk without that support, and I am walking. Second day they made me walk, and then 10th day without support I can able to walk with that help of that physio. And then now I am very much satisfied. Thank you very much for that Srikara Hospital. And